Hi friends, I am back with new videos. It's been a long time away from YouTube, I know, because I have some personal work to do. So please guys support me for create new unique content. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. This will help me and encourage me to create this stuff. Okay, so let's start. Today I'm gonna show you how to use free VPN anonymously. Yes, you heard me. It's free VPN and you don't have to pay for this. It's absolutely free. I'm gonna show you how to use Tor service. First you have to download Tor for PC. Follow me. According to your PC environment, download the same. Mine is 64-bit. um, so I have to install 64-bit. Install it. The installation file will store in your desktop within a folder, so don't delete it. After connect, you will be redirect to one page. And click that. It says that congratulations, you have successfully connected. So if you see this message, then you are good to go. uh, if you doesn't get any message like that, so you have to reconnect that whole thing. Okay, everything done. Now check your IP. So type my IP location or something like that. Unfortunately you can't change the IP. Tor maintain your IP randomly, so it's all done. You can browse internet using VPN within Tor browser. Remember that, okay?